Welcome back, guys. We've got another review, an interesting one at that. We have Bird's Nest White Fungus from Wonderfarm. Now, apparently this is fungus out of a bird's nest. The ingredients are water, white fungus, vanilla flavoring, and some other stuff I can't pronounce. And the last ingredient is bird's nest. Apparently there is a bird's nest with fungus liquefied in this can. Now, I don't know about this. A little bit apprehensive. Will I get sick? Probably not. Maybe. But I guess here we go.
Doesn't smell.
It don't smell bad.
It doesn't have a smell.
Vanilla. Vanilla bird's nest fungus.
Alright.
It is Among Us.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh! It's thick.
0.
5. It's thick. It's vanilla-y. It's alarming. I don't know if I could drink this. Could you drink this?
No, I spit it back out.
I guess that's a no
Ugh.
for her, and maybe for me. Bird's Nest White Fungus, no preservative. Wonderfarm, interesting, odd, yes. Doesn't taste bad. I'll eat or drink anything, but that is a review, guys. Thank you. Check it out.